Hi, how are you?
Good, good.
Good.
This is Jim at Motorhome Rehab Ranch, and these are the guys that are putting this baby together. I'm doing a video real quick right now, so no last names. No last names. All right. So what we did is we hooked up the meter to those batteries.
The battery
As we no,
dead.
they're that's right. They are all dead.
Okay.
And as I told you last time, I'm telling them.
Okay.
I'm telling them what I told you. We're going to take all three of those batteries out, and we're going to just lay them inside.
Okay.
Just lay them inside,
Okay.
and get one good battery.
Okay.
New's fine, like
Yeah.
in just anything, and hook it up right back there to the engine setup. We're going to leave the living area alone because I'm basically telling them.
He can't understand what you're saying.
I know, I understand. We're having fun with it. He understands just enough to stand there and let's talk about this.
Let's talk about this. Hey, that's yours?
It's a guy that I'm helping him get it finished. Yes.
What do you think it's worth now?
It's worth as much as you're willing to pay for it.
Well, I know,
but
it's demand. But what are they going for?
Well, for 30 years, that's what I've done. I built these. I retired this year, and now
you used to work.
Yeah, that's all. That's all I
did.
did.
For General Motors?
No. I had a business in Orlando for 30 years that we restored these.
Oh, you restored them.
I retired. Now what I'm doing is helping people that have these. Or buy them, get them up, get them back going. They're 50 years old now.
I was thinking I invested in one of them.
Well, I don't know. Anybody that ever tells you that anything that has inflatable tires on it is an investment, you should just run, because none of it's an investment.
Well, that's an antique.
Well,
you got to remember that.
It's in the eye of the beholder.
What year is it?
This one is at 1978. Last year. Last year they made them. It's distinctive by some things on it. I've known this coach for actually 30 years.
Well, I'll tell you.
They did a paint job here.
I've seen them go for over 100,000.
Oh, easily. When we closed
up,
100,000
at the top.
Oh yeah, I've put 400,000 in it. I know where too far is, but anyway, yeah, these are pretty neat.
Is this you?
Well, yeah, I'm recording. We're doing a video right now. Come on,
yeah.
Hey, come on over here so they can see what I'm talking about. No,
they got my picture in the post office.
Oh yeah, we don't want that. We don't want that. No, this is a customer that I'm helping him. A ranch hand. That I'm helping them finish it up for him, and then I'm going to help him drive to Cheyenne, Wyoming.
Well, they're going to be doing the interior too on that.
No. All that it's here for
is the paint.
Is the paint. Actually, the reason it got here, one of the injectors clogged up because the tanks were nasty. So we put new injectors in it. But while it was here, paint on something like this is very, very unique.
What were they getting in fuel economy in these in the day?
8.5 to 10.
8.5 to 10. That's realistic?
Well, yeah. Oh, that's very realistic.
This sits pretty low.
Think about this. Drag coefficient. That's what we have to fight. And the bigger